Since we've been talking about short shifters the last few days, let's talk about the shifter in my Integra, because I've had this on here for close to 3 years now. Tons and tons of canyon miles, plus 2 track days and a bunch of daily miles. And I gotta say, if you have a B series, B18, B16, B20 on your Honda Civic, Del Sol, Integra, this is the shifter to get. Again, it's by IRP, made in, I think, Lithuania or Germany, I forgot which one, but one of my favorite shifters for the B series powered Hondas. Now, if you have a K series, that's a different story, because you can get shifters from Acuity and also hybrid racing. But K series cars, they have cables, they have shift cables. The B series cars have a shaft that goes from the bottom of the shifter to the transmission. Totally different. The AZ1 right there, I did a hybrid racing shifter the other day. That is a cable operated shifter, all right, because that car is cable operated. This car is shaft. And then the Miata, it's actually different also, because the shifter mounts directly on the transmission. So on the Miata, the transmission is right below you, like most rear-wheel drive setups. And those actually feel the best because they have no slack. They are super direct and they're actually shorter. So if I show you from the top right here and compare it with the Miata's video the other day, look how much throw I have versus the Miata, which is insanely short, like insanely short. And the shifter I have on there, it's from CAE in Germany. It's even shorter. I'll show you that after this. But if you have a Honda Civic, an Integra, or Del Sol with a B series or even D series, this is the best shifter in the market right now. And I've tried a lot. You know, we've owned this car since it was brand new. This is a 2000 Integra, right? And the reason why I chose the longer stick right here, because you can get a middle size, so basically close to OEM, is because in the canyons, I like to shift quick and get back on the steering wheel ASAP, right? I don't have to reach for it. And I know someone mentioned that you're more prone to miss shifting with a short shifter. I just feel like that's a talent issue, because I rarely have issues with this shifter. I mean, I could go through this whole thing with my finger. See that? Like, dude, it's not that hard. And once you get used to it by feel, there's no issue at all. So the guys are saying like, oh yeah, you're gonna have money shift city. You probably should just stick to automatics because I've never had issues with it. I've never messed up a transmission before. So yeah, hopefully we won't start now. But yeah, man, like we're gonna go through the other shifters too, like that one, which is directly mounted on transmission, on the next video. But I just wanted to show you guys this one because this is an absolutely awesome shifter for the money. And I don't think a lot of people know about this. And again, there are gonna be copies for all of these shifters, but just stick to the original ones because you won't have problems. And one thing you gotta address too is how to adjust these stops. See that? A lot of people who buy these things, they don't know how to adjust the stops. So I'm just gonna go through it quickly. When you install this the first time, you back out all these screws, right? Just remove them and then go left to right. It'll naturally stop. Then put your screws in and just touch the middle of this stopper right there until you have like 1 millimeter of, I guess just screw it in so there's tension, right? Does that make sense? And then that's it. Tighten it up and you're good to go. All right, because if you don't have those screws on there, it could over travel and it's harder to get into gear. See, mine's like friggin' solid. There's all 5 gears right there. But if you have it, you know, misaligned, then it might be like, oh, there you go, right? Because when I first installed this, I had that issue because I didn't know anything about setting this up. And IRP does a horrible job of telling you how to install these things. So yeah, there you go. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, reverse, centered.
Perfect.